the name of that, Sounds of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel. That's the tune for today. Jumping right in, let's get into this introduction. It's really simple, but it's very, very effective. Third string, second finger, second fret. A, there, A, and the E. E, first string opened, and then second string opened. We getting a good shot of that with my right hand, or should I come up a little bit closer? All right. And as you see, the left hand, all it does, it stays on the second finger, second fret. A, E, D, E, A, B. And then it's the first chord. So you do that entire introduction. Let's just play that twice, and then we're going to strum, an A minor chord to go into the tune. What I'm going to do now is just that, and then I'm going to play the chord changes through the tune. You could see right up on the board, that's where the chord changes are. I do start on the G chord. Now, all that is when I'm going, the pickup is on the A minor, hello darkness, my old, and then you see the G chord. Okay? Let's do it, man. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello darkness, my old friend, I come to talk with you again. Da 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 da. I know I got a great voice. Da 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 da. G, and as you see, to the A minor, to the F and the C, ba 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 ba, F, C, to F, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, the G, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And when you get to the end of the tune, that's the entire tune. Simple, but really, really nice. It's sort of like peaceful with someone else singing it. All right? Any questions you have about this? All right, please, comments below. Before I go any further, remember with the right hand, all right, when we're strumming, we want it to go mostly from the wrist, and we don't want that open string chord thing in between. In other words, we want to make clean changes. We don't want, don't do that. Anyway, if you like what you hear, give me that thumbs up, comments below. Please subscribe, all right? And enjoy your day.